How do demonic spirits enter us? Hi, welcome to Bible with Bria. I was an atheist who practiced witchcraft all my life until I read the Bible for myself, and it completely changed my life. Let's get into it. Matthew 12:32 is one of the shortest yet most powerful verses about demonic spirits. It reveals 3 insights. 1, that superficial change without true transformation is dangerous. 2, that individuals and generations can be affected by demonic spirits. 3, spiritual neutrality is not real. So let's read the verse. It states, when the unclean spirit has gone out of a person, it passes through waterless places seeking rest, but finds none. Then it says, I will return to my house from which I came. And when it comes, it finds the house empty, swept, and put in order. Then it goes and brings with it 7 other spirits more evil than itself, and they enter and dwell there. And the last state of the person is worse than the first. So also will it be with this evil generation. The key part is that the house was swept up and put in order, but no one new lived in there. The house was empty. This teaches us that it is not enough to get rid of sin, but that we must replace it with God's Spirit. Because this person doesn't have the Spirit of God within them to resist that change, they are more susceptible to the damage of those demonic spirits. 2, Jesus is also calling out leaders that look clean on the outside but are actually empty and not fulfilled with God's Spirit on the inside. What does that say about how they're leading our generations if they are empty but can be filled with demonic spirits? I think the most important one is number 3, spiritual neutrality is not real. We're either filled with God's Spirit or nothing at all. And when we're filled with nothing at all, that leaves the space of demonic spirits to go into place. To always read this verse and think, I kind of understand what it's saying, but I'm going to move on. But looking deep into it, it's saying that we cannot fight sin by itself. We cannot let these sins take over us, but rather we are to fight it with the Spirit of God, that God is helping us through these things. And if we try to do it by ourselves, we are vulnerable and susceptible to demonic spirits that are coming back because they have no legal ground. They think that they can just do whatever they want and they have no morality. So they're going to come back. But the Spirit of God within us says, no, I'm going to resist this and I'm doing this with the power of God by my side. I hope this helped out and God bless. Bye.